Hey there, let's chat about something we all have and use every day, our smartphones. These little devices are our lifelines, keeping us connected, informed, and entertained. But did you know they can also be a target for cyber threats? So let's dive into some simple yet effective ways to keep your phone secure. First thing first, set a strong passcode. I know, you might be tempted to use 1234 or your birthday, but please don't. Choose a passcode that's hard to guess. A mix of numbers, letters, and special characters works best. Think of it like locking your phone in a safe. Next up, let's talk about biometric security, like fingerprints or facial recognition. Most smartphones today have these features, and they are super convenient. Not only do they make it easier to unlock your phone, but they also add another layer of protection. If someone steals your phone, they won't be able to access your data without your finger or face. Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. Now, don't forget to keep your software updated. Whether it's your phone's operating system or apps, updates often include important security patches that protect against the latest threats. It's like getting a new shield for your phone. So when you get that notification to update, go ahead and hit install. Let's talk about downloading apps. Only download apps from trusted sources, like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These platforms have security measures to help ensure that the apps are safe. If you come across an app on a random website, think twice before you downloading it. It's like inviting a stranger into your home. Better to be safe, right? Here's a biggie. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Sure, it's convenient to connect to free Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or airport, but these networks can be a hacker's playground. If you have to use public Wi-Fi, avoid accessing sensitive information like banking details. Better yet, use a virtual private network or a VPN to encrypt your connection and keep your data safe. Finally, consider installing a mobile security apps. These apps can help protect your phone from malware, track it if it's lost, and even allow you to wipe your data remotely if your phone is stolen. It's like having a security guard for your devices. So there's you have it. To keep your mobile devices secure, set a strong passcode, enable biometric security, keep your software updated, download apps from trusted sources, be cautious with public Wi-Fi, and consider installing a security app. With these steps, you will be well on your way to keeping your phone safe from threats. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.